welcome back guys, and today I'm going to be playing Granny. So I play mostly Granny one only, and if you guess, yes, that's what I'm going to play. So I didn't do, so the developers intro didn't come because I already started the game. So everything is set, it's practice mode, extra locks, because one time I uploaded a video playing Granny, first time with extra locks and uploading something, and I'm going to be playing it again, and I even got padlock in that. If you didn't see the video, you can see it after this video. And please make sure to subscribe. My goal is currently just 18, then my goal will be 20. Background noise is my brother and mother, so don't care. So the person who was speaking like girl voice is my mother. Please. I'm finding in a place. If I find weapon key in that, then I can get padlock key. Please be weapon key when I'm finding. I'm restarting the game. I'm doing it until unless I get weapon key in there because I want to show you guys. I don't know why did you give the day one intro. I even uploaded a video I don't know what, but in that I was playing Granny 2 with no Granny Grandpa. One time I'm going to be playing. No, not one time. Only if I get subscribers. Guys. Guys. Yeah! I was going to tell something. This sucks should not be there. Actually, if it is practice mode only. Okay. Oh, okay. Dang, I'm restarting. I'm doing this until I get weapon key, so please make sure to pray or the video will be like a hour until. So it's been like 2 minutes and I did it 2 times, so every time it will take a minute. I don't know why do I check in the toilet, I can directly check there. That's what I'm going to do. And after I get that, after I get padlock key, let's go. I'm not quitting the game like I do. I am not going to restart the game. Okay. Says no guys. There is the first try I found that. Part of shotgun material should be. I don't know, I'm keep restarting the game, but I know. The main reason is because I need to get the weapon key there. Not padlock key, weapon key. So I'm not going to wait because I'm not going to wait until unless padlock key comes there. Padlock key will never be there. And I actually kind of... Whoa. One second, I want to try this to play the... Oh no. If I try the trick right now, it will be boring. So if you want to check that if you are in practice mode or not, just have to check if you need. Okay, I'm going to. Okay guys, I'm giving this 3 more chances, this and that, and then done. I'm going to be playing it without padlock key there. If I get, I'm more happy. I'm actually becoming more happy. With padlock key I can do 2 things. One, do car escape, one, do door escape. There's a lock right in front. I want to tell you a letter which is written in here. It's covered in blood. Leave this house. That's the challenge. Okay. So if that would be real life jumping from here to here, I would be breaking 99 of my bones. Actually, I'm so bad at parkour. The only parkour stunt I can do is cartwheel or none. Yes, guys! Now I can get padlock key. Yes, I'm so happy. Finally! Ah! Yes, now I can get padlock key. I'm gonna try a trick, but you know, but so if I press the suit option, it lets me do the triangleizer. And I know where to shoot. So can I see something signing inside the red box? I have to aim it and shoot it and make it fall. And then we'll get screwdriver. This brand new. There's a good money come. Should go from the other way. It would take her time to come. So be relaxed. So padlock is like this blue signing key. And this is a way connected almost to the outside. Here's a note. Yes, I could open this. It's something I want to try and I really want to do. If it fails, plan. Failed. It has to go a little more time. So instead of going in here, I have to go more down. With padlock, I want to try. Ah, padlock goes in there, really? Yeah. I padlock. I know what to do, guys, but I cannot tell. Okay, I'll tell. There's the result. Oh, lucky if it fell in that hole. Finally, and now I'm going to drop it. I don't want to risk. Last risk. Ah, the last risk. How the hell did I get inside? Well, actually, it's just. I got inside this without. even opening this. Let's do it. I'm not gonna move this one. I don't know how to use that. Okay. Now padlock is of no use. I'm trying to do the door escape in extra locks mode, which is kind of hard, but it's without granny, so it will take couple of time, like a lot. It will take minimum 1 hour, but if there was granny, minimum 3 hours it would take me. I think I'll do it. I think it's in there. Yeah, I think it is in there. Is it? So I'm continuing and trying to do. So happened. 2 locks. This is the 3rd lock I'm opening. Now I need a switch. I need a switch, hammer, master key and cutting pliers. But I'm going to get. But I already opened almost everything. This how? I need to open a lot, like 4. No, I need to open only 3. Here's the chain cutter. So there's a trick that instead of cutting pliers, if you don't find, you can find chain cutter. To cut right. Just here. I just dropped padlock key there while other things to escape. I kept it. Padlock code, then chain cutter. Well, I could use cutting pliers also, but I don't know where is it. Now I only need switch. This and that. Wait guys, I think I can explore more out. I actually think I can. So if Granny sees you going from there, then she will come from this room. Because she'll bang the door and then come. Because she has locked the door from the kitchen to here. She has locked the door from here to kitchen. But only you can only come through the window. So here I need screwdriver, but I want to explore more out. Because I didn't open it. I don't know to go. This granny doesn't allow us to jump because it cut our leg or something. So I can walk. This is the room where I got the padlock key. This is the room where I found the padlock code. This is the room where I found battery. And garage is the room where I found chain cutter, also known as cutting pliers, for people who never found cutting pliers. This time I'm not going in there. Yes, yeah. Oh, room code number, tag number 1. Room code number, tag number 1. Room code number, tag. I came here, there's only note. Yeah, there's no note. I read the note before. Like, I played this game before, but instead of I play these games, I've read this note. Luckily, that's awesome. Very bad. Squid Game plus Granny joke. I don't know who is this. Was Granny a tornado maker? She looked like that and made tornadoes. Oh, that's not a crack. don't know, I didn't play like that. Self-serve on padlock, but now I don't need padlock and screwdriver. I don't know what to do. I said, will this open? But will that door open? Like, a room door which I wanted to open. If it is opened, I will be happy. And the padlock taken, the trees drop. I can get new camera everything. No. This no already open. There's something in here. Remote. It's currently off noise actually. Because we don't need to make Granny blind. First of all, where is Granny to make her blind? That's like the biggest question I'm ever asked. Let's see something is in my map. Yeah? Triangle is a weapon. But I'm going to the attic. In the olden version of Granny, this door was not there. And this black door attic was also not there. So less space to hide. But then developers decided to do something and then go side. They lied to me. Where is the book? It's right there. So guys, subscribe if I should kill Angelina or no. I'll definitely not. Well, there's a book right there. I think we don't need book now, so I'll leave the book there. I want to do this. Only try this if you want to risk in Granny. Granny puppet. Everything is inside. First take a step in there, I will die. If I take a step on Grandpa, I will roll and die. Okay, and here it's Grand. He went back once again. He went back, right? And now I have to kill him. Die! Oh, I just went to cross him. Die! Even not. Actually, even not. I'm not playing with Grandpa right now. I call him Grandpa because I think it's like a statue of Grandpa which Granny used to play shotgun. Can I get the teddy? Yes, I can. Oh! Engine part. No. Look at my phone cutting person here. No. Engine part is so easy to find. I can do. So I know where's the Teddy. If you guys don't know, there is. So if you take the Teddy, then Granny will get angry because he hates cylinders. Let's go to this. Well, it's been too late for this video, and I need to tell you something. Just bye.